Welcome back to ITC 2019 in Las Vegas. And this time I have two guests. What are your names?
Hi, I am Robin Roberson.
And I'm Kenneth Knoll.
And who are you with?
We are with ArrayBPA.com.
What is ArrayBPA.com?
Well, it is our latest venture. So you and I know each other as I was previous CEO and co-founder of We Go Look. Kenneth was the COO and also board member, and we've been business partners for a long time now.
You guys still like each other?
Yeah, every day.
Every single day.
Yeah, no, it's been great. And so we've been completely exited from We Go Look for about 4 months, and we have an exciting announcement. We have a new platform, ArrayBPA.com, and I'll hand this over. I'm hogging it.
Well, what does it do?
Yeah,
No,
so
you're building the excitement. I can't
building
wait.
the excitement up here. So it's really a forms digitization platform and workflow automation tool. What's unique about it is it's a low-code, no-code tool that you can really start small with, but think really big in terms of how you can use it inside your business. And we're tackling a few specific problems across industries. Here, obviously, we're focused on insurance. So in the underwriting kind of risk mitigation space, you can both do underwriting inspection through the platform, but also data collection on a routine basis for risk control, loss control. So maintenance checks, fire safety checks, all of these things that are going on inside corporations, and we're highly commercial focused. But it's a platform for these companies to run those things through to really increase compliance and reduce their overall risk, very much tied to the insurance world. We come from claims primarily, and there's a lot of platforms that solve for 80% of what's needed out in the claims world from a inspection perspective, a platform management, so your core systems. They really start to fall off when you get into nuanced challenges like flood forms is a great example. So FEMA, NFIP, flood forms process, it's entirely analog still. None of your claims management systems out there support adjusters in their efforts to meet FEMA guidelines around the inspection process for flood.
So what happens today?
So today there's a litany of forms in a certain sequence that have to be completed. They're multi-page PDFs. You get from the website, you take them out in the field, you complete them, you scan them, you upload them, you send them back, and they have to be done in certain intervals within days of each other, right? And that's all on the adjuster to maintain and ensure they're in compliance, and that's important for the insured, right, that they are. And so we take those, fully digitize them, we take them out of the cumbersome PDF format, put them in a easy-to-use user interface inside our platform Array. It's mobile app ready, so we've got native apps on both iOS and Android, works in the web, and both work online and offline. So we give the adjuster the tool they need to be more efficient, regardless of what platform they're using. We'll connect to any other platform, and when they submit through, we actually do an output that mimics the FEMA forms so that they can be ingested into the FEMA requirements around the traditional PDF format. So it's really we're acting as that bridge of that digital analog leap that has to be made there for traditional routines that just can't fully change, but the user experience can, and that's what the platform's doing. So we're taking those cumbersome analog where a person engages in the process, and we're giving them a better tool to do that more quickly.
Yeah.
I think what's really important about that is we're really also reducing error. So if you think about maybe some of the forms might have gotten wet or they might be eligible.
Yeah.
So we're able to really provide this structured data so you're able to actually leverage some of the AI that's out there. So you have better quality data coming in for that purpose. Also love the low-code, no-code platform. And so that's really, I think, becoming more popular as people are understanding the ability to have maybe junior developers, even business analysts and others, be able to come in, those that understand the business, create these forms and customize them versus having a development team that's very expensive working on form building. And so, they're able to focus on the more complex tasks while this is very quick to stand up. So I think that's also a wonderful feature of this. I love it.
Okay, so because it's adjuster, it's going to be in the hands of the adjuster. Are your customers TPAs, carriers?
It can be in the hands of anyone. So that was just an example that you were kind of asking about on the form. So we're really focusing right now on the underwriting side. But we're also working with companies like Walmart in South Africa. So we've had great success with them over the last several months. They started a pilot for food and safety checks. And at this time, they've completed actually thousands in the platform and are wanting to expand. So we know that's a really great business case. We're working with wind farms. We're on-prem in cruise ships already. So there's a lot of applicability for this platform in different areas. But we're definitely wanting to work with carriers or other platforms.
Because you're familiar with insurance, because you love us.
Because I love insurance.
Yeah, and I'd also say we're really excited about taking what we do best, which is forms and workflows, and being part of another system, right? So we're not looking to displace kind of the core systems that are out there in any industry.
Yep.
So obviously there's leaders in the insurance space. There's the same inside risk and loss control inside organizations. We're an extension of those, and everything's been built in a highly kind of container-based fashion where if you just need this component of the system and you want to tie that into your core system, that's the flexibility we give them so they can take full advantage of what we do best, which is forms and workflow automation, let them handle everything they've done traditionally, and just bring the power of what we have to their customers.
Very nice, very nice. I have a feeling there's a backstory to the name Array BPA.
There
Care to
is,
share?
yeah. Sure.
So it actually came from really the father of the platform, the product expert, Matt Doyle, and he described when we were engaging in this venture together, he just said, really all of these systems are nothing but databases presented in a different way. Right. And we were like, well, that's really true. And what we're doing at Array is just helping people experience and ingest and input information in a different way. They all end up in data tables, right? Or arrays of data.
Okay.
And so Array is really just the root of everything in terms of data tables, right?
And
so
BPA?
business process automation.
Oh.
Yeah.
I thought it was going to be like some kid's initials.
No. BPA free?
Yes, exactly.
Good for kids? I don't know.
Exactly,
Yeah.
exactly.
And we have that added to the domain name because array.com is not available.
Oh, shocker.
So we're Array BPA, but the actual platform is Array. So to Kenneth's point, it is an array of data.
Yeah.
So it's pretty exciting.
Well, thank you for coming on.
Thank you.
As a token of our appreciation, you each get... you're now part of the Insurance Nerds family.
Woo!
I think you're already
I am.
a
I'm
member
gonna
of the
have.
Insurance
I'm gonna have
Nerds
two now.
family.
I'm
But
excited.
now you have a pin. And
Thank you, Nick.
Thank you so much for your time
Yes,
today.
thank you. Appreciate it. Have a great
Thanks.
conference. Thank you.